Hello artists! Thank you for helping out with the first grade milk carton bird feeders. The first step is to open the top all the way. So do whatever you need to do to get that all the way open. Now we're going to cut out the bendy parts on both sides. So here I go. Cutting just the part that bends. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so I got one side, now I'm going to do the other. Just the part that bends into triangles. The other sides will be the roof, so don't cut those off. Okay, now we want to give the first graders a place where they can cut too. So you're going to take a Sharpie and you're just going to make a thick black line around those nutrition facts. And then they'll know that's where they get to cut. Okay. And then, to finish it off, all you need to do is stick a piece of yarn in between the roof, and you're done. You can start another one. Have fun!